The holidays are here and so many of us are worried about gaining weight as we indulge in all these fun family meals. Now, I know you're going to come in shortly after the holidays and look for all kinds of strategies to lose weight, but here's what we're going to do this time. We're going to work ahead of the game rather than after the fact, so you guys aren't sitting around super depressed when maybe those jeans are a little bit too tight. So what do we do and how to start? Take notes, because I want to make sure you get all of this down, because that day comes and everyone throws everything out the window. All right, number one, and this works, guys. First of all, the day of, get your exercise in. Whatever your favorite thing is. Some of you guys sign up for marathons. I'm not going to do that. Some of you sign up just to go to a yoga class, more my speed, but it doesn't matter. Just be active, do something in the morning before you get distracted with family and cooking and all the fun that we associate with the holidays. So that's one thing that I stick to and believe in wholeheartedly. Next, make sure you stay really well hydrated throughout the day. So much of our hunger and even our cravings is tied up to water rather than really wanting anything else in particular. So stay hydrated. It's going to impact the amount you ultimately eat. So that's my second little hack. The third is really trying to create some kind of food budget, don't laugh, for that day. I know that's the one day everyone's like, we don't want a food budget, but it is a good day to do that as well, so you can indulge in all the yummy stuff that we usually have on Thanksgiving. My personal favorite is pumpkin pie, and I love it. And yes, there may be 2 or even 3 slices in the equation there for that food budget. But anyhow, how does this work? So we've got a day, we've got about 8 hours to that day. Have a few little snacks leading up to the Thanksgiving meal so you're not starving, but those snacks should be healthy and high protein, handful of nuts, maybe a little bit of a protein smoothie, and then go into the Thanksgiving meal knowing what you're after, right? Just like any other goal, you laser target what you want. And for that particular item, sure, an extra helping or 2 is great, but for everything else on that table, maybe smaller little servings, smaller little bites, so you get to taste everything, but you're not over and indulging on the entire table there. So that's a third little trick. I think the fourth is to really watch the alcohol. Alcohol piles on calories like you will not believe. A glass of wine has about 110 to 140 calories. Add about 4 glasses of wine while you're talking to grandma, and before you know it, you're at 600 calories where you could have had 2 slices of pumpkin pie. You know, I'd rather choose the pumpkin pie any day. You could do the wine some other time. So watch the alcohol. I think that'll make a difference too, to not allow more of this sugar and high calorie stuff to sneak in. And last but not least, go on that family Thanksgiving walk. You know you want to do that. You know you want to hear everyone's stories and the same story 50 times over again, but do it while you're moving, because that way you'll help digestion, you'll help that gut get everything through, and have a much easier time losing some of the extra calories you may have consumed. Those are my favorite holiday hacks, stuff that we do every Thanksgiving season, Christmas, all throughout the holiday months ahead. So try those, and let's see if we can beat the holiday weight gain this time, so that at New Year, we're not desperate to find New Year, New You right away. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday.